Hi everyone, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. For those who are new here, my name is Rowena. I'm an intuitive tarot reader here on YouTube for more than 2 years now. In today's reading, we will see what are the big surprises coming to you in the year 2024. Since this is a general reading, it may not resonate with you completely. But if you're looking for a reading personalized to your current situation, I highly recommend my sponsor, Keen. Keen connects you with gifted psychics, tarot readers, and astrologers. All you have to do is to create an account, and you'll be able to choose from the hundreds of readers who are online right now. These readers each have unique specialties designed to provide a deeper understanding of your situation. You can choose whichever reader best suits your needs, and you'll be able to connect with them via phone call or text chat. You can have a reading in an instant whenever you want, wherever you are, because Keen is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so you don't have to wait for a schedule. Keen has been my go-to psychic app whenever I need some clarity or confirmation, especially in making decisions. My favorite psychic from Keen has always been very helpful, and her insights always fit my situation. That's why it's still best to get a personal psychic reading because it is directed only to your energies. Now, here's your chance to get a personalized reading from Keen. As a new customer in Keen, you can try your first 10 minutes for only $1.99. And that's already a great deal to start. Just go to trykeen.com/QOP or click the link in my description to save big on your first reading. You can also scan this QR code so you can easily access the website. This is the cheapest psychic reading you could ever have online. Imagine it's only $1.99 or 110 pesos, and that's already a 10-minute private reading. So go to trykeen.com/QOP or click the link in my description and on the pinned comment to get a reading and enjoy a huge discount. Thank you so much for sitting through that, and thank you so much, Keen, for this opportunity. Now, let's go to your reading. Okay, Libra, let's see what are the big surprises coming to you ngayong 2024. Ayan, so excited na ba kayo for 2024? Ano yung mga hopes and dreams ninyo? I-comment nyo nga dyan. So this is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you so much sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. Ayan, pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook page. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH, and TikTok, ganun din. And please check out my Shopee, link on the description. Let's see, Libra, ano ang big surprises sa inyo ngayong 2024? Okay. Oh, travel. Merong travel. Pwedeng surprise travel to. Pwede rin merong uuwi, no, ng surprise sa inyo from a far place, nasa abroad. And you are protected, no, kapag kayo ay nagta-travel. Uy, may harvest din. Yes. So ito yung ani, no, anihan. Ito yung bunga ng inyong mga pinagpaguran. So sa 2024, lahat ng efforts ninyo, no, ay makikita nyo yung resulta. Let's see, ano pa ang surprise? Friendship. Oh, may surprise friendship. Baka meron kang mga bagong kaibigan na makikilala ngayong 2024. Or you will be connecting more with your friends. Pwede rin namang isusurprise ka ng isa mong friend na galing abroad. Or maaring ikaw ang magsusurprise sa friend mo. Pupunta ka sa kung saang bansa siya nakatira. Ayan. So, let's see what else. Meron ditong humiliation. Baka merong yung iba sa inyo pwedeng meron kayong makaaway online or anyone na somehow medyo siya, yung very open, yung tipong maraming mai-involve or maraming makakaalam. Oo, so be careful na lang sa mga actions na gagawin nyo sa 2024 para makaiwas dyan sa mga ano. Di ba minsan yung pinopost sa Facebook or sa social media, pinapahiya, ayun. So, meron ding new beginnings. Yung iba sa inyo magkakaroon ng baby. Ayan. This is also about a fresh start. So, meron kang bagong simula na i-welcome ngayong 2024. This is a new phase, no? Parang bagong kabanata ng iyong life. You also have olive branch. Peace offering. Oh, okay. So, maari ring makikipag-ayos ka, no, with someone na nakaalitan mo or meron kayong issue before. Tinan ko kung ano tong new beginnings. In what area of your life yung new beginnings na to? Oh, 10th house, which is about your career. So, yung iba sa inyo, merong opportunity sa trabaho, negosyo, okay, sa inyong, sa 2024. New career path. Yung iba naman magkakaroon ng position, leadership role sa 2024. Ano pa? Uy, meron ditong abundance. O, 'di ba? Harvest, dalawa na yung harvest ninyo. So, it really makes sense. I think yung iba sa inyo Libra siguro meron kayong mga hinihintay, no? Yung mga ipinunla nyo ng mga nakaraan. So, ngayong 2024, harvest time na. Ayan, you are bearing fruit. So, may prosperity dito. A lot of good things in your finances din to. So, some of you naman, meron talaga magkakaroon ng baby. Kasi yan is, rin to fertility. Yan, yung grapes. And also, some of you mas magiging very competitive pagdating sa trabaho, sa career ninyo. Oo, mas magiging hungry for success sa trabaho, sa career. Kaya siguro diyan kayo magkakaroon ng new beginnings, no? Maaring meron kayong bagong opportunity na i-explore sa inyong career, sa inyong work. And yun nga lang, baka I also see some pwedeng conflict with someone sa katrabaho. Alam mo yung tipong nagko-compete kayo for a certain position. But with the Lover's card here, yung iba sa inyo papasok sa isang very serious relationship ngayong 2024. Yung iba pwede magpapakasal. Oo, speaking of kasal, may Hierophant dito. So, it's like a commitment na papasukin mo. Yung iba naman, this can mean a commitment sa work or sa business. Merong business partnership. But for some of you, this is parang a new chapter of your life, like having a new romantic partner. Oh, Four of Swords. Merong healing. Yung iba sa inyo na nagkaroon ng sakit in the past, no? Ngayon, 2024, tuloy-tuloy yung inyong healing. You also have the Seven of Swords and the Justice card. Okay. So, if there is someone na merong nagawang masama sa inyo or someone has done you wrong in the past, ito ay you will get the justice that you deserve. Okay? With the Justice card. This is also your energy. You have the Seven of Swords here. So, meron ditong energy of someone na hindi naging totoo, no? Or mapanlin lang. Ayan. So, maari ring meron kang makikilala or pwedeng ma-reveal sa'yo ang isang tao na hindi maganda yung intentions towards you. So, at least may awareness na sa'yo. Be careful din sa mga pagkakatiwalaan mo sa 2024. Dahil meron ditong energy of someone na parang ang pakita niya sa'yo is kaibigan, pero hindi pala. No? Someone who is, gusto ka lang makaklose para malaman niya yung mga ginagawa mo or yung strategies mo. Even sa relationship rin, be careful rin kasi meron ditong very sketchy energy. Okay? So, gratitude is the life force of peace. What are you thankful for? So, sa 2024, there are a lot of reasons na maraming dahilan para ipagpasalamat para sa'yo. So, ito yung mga blessings na makukuha mo, especially in your career, yung mga harvest time, yung mga friendships and connections na magigain mo sa 2024, and even your travel opportunities and yung new connections, romantic partner, and yung mga serious connections and serious commitment na papasukin mo. Ayan. So, all in all, maraming blessings for you, Libra. Just be careful lang sa mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo. But this will be revealed sa'yo in 2024. Okay? So, that is your reading, Libra. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Libra. See you again.